Hi folks, today we're going to talk about a binary clock system. So the way a binary clock system works is each of these LEDs represents a point value. Consider ones and zeros because that's what a binary system is, ones and zeros. So each one of these has a point value in the binary code system. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32. Your minutes are the same: 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32. And your hours don't have all of those. They only have 1, 2, 4, and 8. So the easiest way to describe this, and I've seen a lot of ways that they've added these up, the best way to figure this out is simple. Every time one of these lights lights up, they add the points to the other one. So for example, if this first LED lights up, that's 1 point. If the second LED lights up, that's 2 points. If they both add up together, that's 3 points. So that would mean that it's 3 seconds. So in that theory, this top row right here, we have 1, 2, 4, and 8. So we can see that the 2 is lit up and the 8 is lit up. You add those together, that's 10 o'clock. In the minute system, we have 32 lit up, we have 8 lit up, so that's 40, and we have the 4 lit up, so that's 44. So we can actually see that the time is actually 10:44 with the seconds counting down. You can also see that up here we have a yellow LED. That's for your AM and PM. There's an off and on switch right at the top right here. And then we have the blue push button, that's to fast forward your hours, and the green push button is to fast forward your minutes. So you can adjust the time accordingly. I have this hooked up the same way you would have a regular electrical clock hooked up. There is a 9-volt reserve battery, so when the power does go out. And then on the back side, you can see that there is a power supply unit, which is actually hooked up to the wall. But if the power goes out, it would run off of that power supply unit, and then it would run off of the 9-volt if the 9-volt or if the power supply unit was to die down. So with that being said, the way a program, the way that this system actually works is you actually have to program a computer chip with a specific code. You would download the code online, just search for binary clock codes, and then download the code into the computer chip. And the computer chip would actually look something like this right here. You can see that there's a chip right there. Let me just pull this out. So here we have give me one moment here. So here we have a chip. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 9-pin chip. It is a PC817C. And then you would actually have to buy a chip programmer. I happen to have one that I bought that looks something like this right here. So this is my chip programmer. It's a PicKit 3. And all you would do is just connect the wires to this. It comes with everything in the kit. You connect these wires to the bottom of this, and then you just follow the prompts, and then you connect this piece to the back of this and into your computer. And then this would actually operate this would program your computer chip to run the code that you asked it to run, and then you put the chip inside of the breadboard. And I'll open up the breadboard. I'll open up the binary clock so you can see this. So in here, you can see that there is a breadboard with a Arduino power supply unit to hook up your 9-volt in your USB port. And then right in the center right there, you can actually see that there is a computer chip, and all the wires are connected to the computer chip according to what they are and per the code. So you want to make sure that you connect them all correctly. And then once you connect these all together, and then you plug it in, you actually get a binary code system. And the binary clock works as you can see right here. So right now it does say it's 10, 48, 49. It's actually 10:49 with seconds to spare. So if you have any questions on building a binary clock, please make sure that you leave me a message, and thank you for watching my video.